Hello everyone, Harsh here. In last lecture, we learned about pin when two pieces are along a diagonal or along a file. So the way to think about tactic is see which all pieces are in a line or a diagonal or a file. Okay, here we see these two are along a diagonal. So in a square is like a pin, but the bigger value piece is in front. So simple we attack here. It cannot capture because our queen is protecting, and then we take the higher value piece. Let's say another example. This is absolute square. When the bigger piece is king, because king is absolute, right? Check, it has to move away and we take the piece. Then let's look at another example. First look at one tactic. Now in this you will say only these two are in line, right? We can give check or like this, something like this, or we can give check from here. But if we give check from here by queen, let's say this check comes, then it will give check here, it will just move away sideways and queen will capture. Nothing will happen because they are adjacent. What we can do is we sacrifice a piece. It is a check. So it cannot, it has to capture, because if it does not capture, move away, we will take the queen for no loss. Now both are away and we give a check here and we get the queen. So this tactic, you remember, it occurs very frequently. Now let's do another example here. Here you see this is a battery. What do? You know this square is important. We just come here. If it takes, because if it does not take, there is a checkmate there. You find out checkmate is the back rank checkmate. We don't take by queen because it's a blunder, because then it will equal exchange. So what we do? Always in 90% of cases take by the lesser value piece. And now it is attacking because it is pinned. We cannot move away. There is a way. Defend it. Now it moves away and game is over. Let's look at another example. What is happening here? See which all are in file and line and diagonal. This line, and this line, right? So if we capture this, it's a lower value piece. It will capture a queen, but they will come in diagonal C. So what we do is we capture it. Now if queen captures, and we get the rook. Same way, another example, and then we play like this, and then game goes on and we win. So this pattern, the same diagonal pattern, we have to remember. It's very important pattern. Again, remember, check, take the defender away, check, take the higher value piece. Let's look at another example. What is happening in this case? See, which all are along the line or diagonal? Nothing. See, you can see he can take your queen anytime. This attack is coming on. So we have to save our queen also, right? And we have to attack also. So let's take the pawn. You will say why we have done so? Because if he captures, there is a nasty check and we take the queen. So it's a equal exchange and we gain one pawn extra. Let's look at another example. See, now they are in the same diagonal, right? So somehow we have to remove this piece and give a check to king along the diagonal. So first, let's see, king cannot go here, it can move here. So we give a check here. It move away, because if it goes here, then we can give check and then checkmate will follow. We give check here and then here, like that. So it moves here. What we do? It cannot go here because of knight. It cannot go here, it cannot go here because of this pawn. So we can simply check. It has to capture and see again the same tactic and we get the queen for free. Next example. Here nothing is in line, but we have white bishop and a rook. So we have to bring somehow both in line, right? One area is this. Just give attack here. If it captures and we get the queen, so our sniper will attack and we get the queen. But you will say why it will capture if not it's trick, right? Let's see what all options it has. If we go here, it cannot come here because there is an attack here, right? So it cannot go. Then where it can go? Suppose it goes here. Simple. Attack, move away. It cannot go there also. Now where else it can go? It goes here. It's a blunder. We get the queen again. So where else it can go? It goes here. No problem. We get the queen again. Now it cannot go here because then pawn will take, right? So it cannot go here also. It cannot go here. Why? Because simply if you take this and again the same diagonal, so it cannot go here. So what all options it has? Now we have seen this option does not exist. If it goes here, simply attack, it has to capture and then we. So understand pin and square, they are very important concept. Just remember some basic patterns and you will enjoy the game. I hope you understand this like good. Thank you.